How to create or generate QR code using Node.js, Anil Labs. In this post I would like to explain about how to create or generate the QR code using Node.js with dynamic data. It is simple code to generate the code, but it will help in many of our applications. For the accessing any content or links rather than display directly, display it in QR codes. It is a secure way to display those contents. What we are going to achieve with QR code, simple display it in your website for the app's links, websites, amount related. How to create or generate QR code using Node.js by Anil Labs. How we are going to create or generate it. 1. As earlier explained about install the Node.js in your system. 2. How to install the packages. To install any packages we have to follow below command to install it globally. npm install g package name. To install any packages we have to follow below command to install it application. npm install save package name. 3. In our application we need to install the below packages. npm install save body parser less than code greater than code greater than npm install save express less than code greater than code greater than npm install save fs less than code greater than code greater than npm install save path less than code greater than code greater than npm install save QR code. 4. Write the port number inside of your index.js or app.js file. 5. Include the all packages in your app file. Const express equals require express, var body parser equals require body parser, var path equals require path, var fs equals require fs, var QR code equals require QR code. 6. Include the body parser and express in your code. Var app equals express app.set view engine HTML. App.use body parser JSON limit 50 MB. Parse requests of content type application JSON / app.use body parser Erlang coded extended true. App.use body parser Erlang coded extended true. Keep extensions true. Parse requests of content type application JSON app.use body parser JSON. 7. Cores for our application. App.use function req res next allow cross origin requests. Res settheater access control allow methods post put options delete get. Res header access control allow origin asterisk. Res header access control allow headers origin x requested with content type except next. Closing curly bracket closing parenthesis semicolon dot. 8. Middle where for our application. Const logger equals function req res next / console.log req next. Closing curly bracket dot app.use logger. 9. Generate the QR code with provide text. App.get req res equals greater than QR code. To data URL https://anillabs.com function air URL. Template path equals path join __ dirname plus /code.html. fs read file template path encoding UTF-8 function air data equals data replace #QURL per gram URL res send data. 10. Application listen app listen port equals greater than console.log Anil Labs QR code generation on the port plus port. 11. To display the code in your HTML file. 12. Run the application. How to create or generate QR code using Node.js by Anil Labs. With the above the steps we can create or generate the QR code using Node.js.